Dear friends, once again welcome to Open Talk. In this video I will show you how you can convert a large size video to a small size without losing any quality. So all you have to do is just open up your browser and search for Handbrake. Click the first link here and go to this site, and from here click download Handbrake. I have already downloaded, so I'm not gonna waste your time. I hope you know how to download a file and how to install a software. Let's install my software. So here it is. Double click on it. Now click next. It's very simple to install a software. Click finish. Now click on Handbrake. Here your software Handbrake is totally free. You don't have to worry about its license or pricing. If you want to convert the whole file, just then select folder, or if you want to just convert a single file or individual file, then click on file. Now select your desired file. Here this is my file that I will convert, so let's select this one. Now you can change its settings, like the format of your video. MP4 will be best. You can change its width and height, and one more important thing is that you see top 0, left 0, bottom 0 or right 0, then you don't have to set custom. If it is not 0 in automatic setting, then select custom and make it 0. Okay, then go to filters, leave it as it is, then go to video setting. You can change its video codec, but 264 is best. You can change frame rate, and main thing is quality. The more you reduce the quality size, quality rate, the video will be more smaller. Don't do it below 22 or below 20. Okay, then audio settings, you can change audio rate. I will keep it in 128. It's quite good. Subtitles, it doesn't matter, it's not that big deal. And finally you can see the preview from clicking here. Preview, it's good. Now what do you want to save? You can rename the converted file. Let's change it to demo. And where do you want to save? And click browse. Select the destination where you want to save your file. Here I will save in the same folder, convert, save. And finally start encode. Click on start encode. The rendering time will depends on your computer configuration. The higher configuration your computer having, it will take short time. I'm gonna pause my recording until it finished. Here you go. The file is already converted. Before watching the main file, one more thing. Suppose you have a big file, then select shutdown. After converting your file, this computer will shut down automatically. So okay, let's see our main file. Go to document, and here you can see this is our main file. It's around 120 MB, and this is a demo file. It's only 13 MB. It's huge difference. Okay, let's see the quality. Open the main file, I mean before converting. Okay, let's see the file after converting, demo file. I don't find any kind of difference here. It's quite similar, but see the size, it's 120 MB and it's only 13 MB. So guys, I think it's the great software to convert any kind of large file to a small size, and it's totally free. So thank you for watching. See you next time. And if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get more updates. See you next time. Until then, take care.